So I had a range top this one's a GE, and it's missing both of the support arms. Found one of them and started looking at how to put this back together, and it just wasn't going. The name of this part is called the main top support arm. Here was my easy way to figure out how it should go. Nice thing about having other units that are the same is you can look around and figure things out. So there it is. This goes this way, and the hook goes this way. I was putting it backwards, so that's easy. And it's one on the other side as well. Just got to see if I can find it. Maybe it fell down inside. But you can see this unhooks here, and that's where the little deal goes. So I was just putting it backwards. I'll put it in the correct way. Nice and easy. So I was checking for the other side when it was there, as it was missing, and couldn't find it. But actually, as I'm editing the video now, looking inside, I see it right there. So I should be able to go back and reach in there and put it back together. Thought I was going to have to order one, but these are the main support arms for the range top. And they're not too expensive if I needed to order a new one. No big deal. I'll try to put a link in the description in case you needed one.